One payment, 45 crores, one of India's most trusted private banks, and suddenly investors began asking uncomfortable questions. The CEO received a warning, the stock came under pressure. US shareholder law firms announced investigations. But here's the real question. Was this actually a scam or was there something else going on? HDFC Bank had a long-standing banking relationship with the Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation or MSRDC, a government body that manages large public funds. Reports alleged that certain deposit arrangements received preferential treatment that were around Rs 45 crores and was booked as marketing expenses. But it's important to remember that these were allegations under security, not findings of fraud. Then came the biggest surprise. HDFC conducted an internal investigation supported by the independent legal review. The board conducted that it found no evidence of fraud, bribery, corruption, personal enrichment, or malicious intent. Yet the CEO and CFO still received warning letters and monetary penalties. Why? Because in banking, governance isn't just about providing fraud, it's about responsibility, oversight, and accountability. But here's what many people missed. For a bank the size of HDFC Bank, Rs 45 crores alone isn't financially significant. What has worried investors was something much bigger trust. Could regulators step in? Would governance concerns slow? Could further legal actions follow or markets unlikely uncertainty? So is this a scam? As of today, no court or regulator has conducted or concluded that HDFC committed a scam. What exists is a governance controversy that remains under security scrutiny. So what do you think after watching the complete video? Do you believe this is a governance lapse with no fraud? Or a serious compliance issue that regulators need to re-examine? Or something bigger could re-emerge? And if you enjoyed watching the video, please like, share and subscribe.